Today's video is about something really important and current: same-sex marriage in India. You might have heard about the Supreme Court's recent decision, but what does it actually mean for same-sex couples? By watching this video, you will understand the full picture of what's happening. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more content. Also, check out my blog for more in-depth articles. Now let's dive in. Here are some of the questions that we will be discussing in this episode. What rights do same-sex couples have under the Indian Constitution? How have recent court cases influenced the legal landscape? What steps are needed to allow same-sex marriages in India? And 4 other burning questions. On October 17, 2023, the Supreme Court of India made a landmark decision about same-sex marriage. Who was involved in this decision? The Supreme Court, with a majority 3:2 verdict, ruled that there is no fundamental right to marry, thus rejecting the legalization of same-sex marriage and civil unions. Now, what does this mean? Essentially, same-sex couples cannot get legally married in India. But what about same-sex couples in live-in relationships? Who are affected by this part of the ruling? Same-sex couples who are not married but live together. What protections do they have? The court recognized their rights to live together and granted some legal protections and social security benefits. When did this happen? Obviously, this happened on that verdict of October 17, 2023. How does this impact their daily lives? While they can live together without fear of legal repercussions, they still lack the full legal status that comes with marriage. This leads us to our next question. What rights do same-sex couples have under the Indian Constitution? What rights are recognized? The court upheld the Indianness of homosexuality, stating that same-sex couples have the right to live together and enjoy intimacy without discrimination. Who emphasized these rights? Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud mentioned that choosing a partner is a fundamental life decision under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Why is marriage equally still not recognized despite these rights? Before we move forward, if you are liking this episode, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Why can't same-sex couples get married in India? The court ruled there is no fundamental right to marry. What challenges do they face? They lack legal status in family matters like succession, inheritance, and hospital visitation rights. Where do these challenges stem from? Both legal restrictions and societal attitudes. But now, can these challenges be addressed? This brings us to the influence of recent court cases. What changes has to be made? While same-sex marriage wasn't legalized, rights for live-in couples were recognized. How does this affect future possibilities? The court left it to the parliament to decide on same-sex marriage laws, making the future uncertain but hopeful for legal reforms. What did the public react to these developments? Basically, who are reacting? The LGBTQ+ community, activists, and the general public. What are the main reactions? The disappointments among activists and same-sex couples who hoped for marriage equality because the ruling does not grant full marriage rights, leaving many legal and social issues unresolved. What are some appreciations? The court's recognition of the Indianness of LGBTQ+ community was positively received. How can public opinion influence future changes? By advocating for legal reforms and greater acceptance, we can see future changes among public opinion. So, what should be done to allow same-sex marriages in India? To allow same-sex marriages in India, the government needs to amend existing laws like the Special Marriage Act to be gender neutral and include provisions for same-sex marriage. Following examples from countries like United States and Canada. Enacting new specific laws for same-sex marriage, similar to New Zealand and Taiwan, would provide a clear legal framework. Additionally, comprehensive anti-discrimination laws should be implemented to protect LGBTQ+ individuals in all areas of life, ensuring equal treatment. Public awareness campaigns are crucial to change societal attitudes. Similar to initiatives in Ireland before legalizing same-sex marriage, legal recognition and protection for same-sex couples in living relationships, as seen in the country like Italy, should be provided as an immediate step. Engaging civil society and LGBTQ+ organizations in drafting and implementing these laws will ensure they are inclusive and effective. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of the current scenario and what's needed next. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.